just setting up the engine timing. First thing I did was to set the engine at top dead centre on number 1 with the dial gauge. As so. Put a new timing chain on using the original sprockets, so they've still got their marks clearly visible, which need to be aligned. So just using the manual for the correct position of the camshaft with the cutaway position shown there, and then aligning the scribe lines. I also checked the alignment of the sprockets themselves. It's possible you need to put some shims behind this sprocket here. I didn't, unfortunately. So I've then carefully, and it was a bit fiddly, put the chain on the camshaft sprocket whilst trying to align these two marks. A little bit fiddly, and also checking that the crankshaft hasn't moved at all. And that was it.